Hello friends, we are studying lattice network. While calculating equivalent reactance or resistance, we will get few special type of arrangement that will be your lattice network, and we will see how we are calculating with the help of lattice network our equivalent resistance. Coming to the topic lattice network, we have one structure here. This structure is called as lattice. These impedances Z1, Z2, we cannot easily say these are in series or in parallel. So while calculating the equivalent impedance or equivalent resistance, there would be a problem. Then we have to redraw this circuit. And while redrawing the circuit, we have to keep in mind the node point 1, 1 dash, 2 and 2 dash. See guys here, 1 and 2 are connected through Z1. 1 and 2 are connected through Z1. And 1 and 2 dash are connected with Z2. 1 and 2 dash are connected to Z2. Again, 2 and 2 dash are connected with RL. 2 and 1 dash are connected with Z4. 1 dash and 2 dash are connected with Z3. Here, this is 1 and this is 1 dash. Now, this circuit has become a bridge. We have to check whether Z1, Z3 is equal to Z2, Z4. Then the value of current will be equal to 0, and this Z1 and Z4 will be in series, and this Z2 and Z3 will be in series, and these two will be equal to in parallel. So the circuit would be very easy when we are converting this lattice network into bridge network. And if the Z1, Z3 is equal to not Z2, Z4, then we cannot say here I is equal to 0. There will be some current here. So we have to take the help of star to delta or delta to star conversion. We are going to see in further questions. Here is the first example. In this question, we have to find out the value of R12. R12 will be what? We have to elaborate this circuit. So 1 and 2 are connected with 1 ohm. 1 and 2 are connected with 1 ohm. And 1 and 2 dash. 1 and 2 dash are connected with what? 1 ohm. And 2 and 2 dash are connected with 2 ohm. And 2 and 1 dash are connected with 2 and 1 dash are connected with 1 ohm, and 1 dash and 2 dash are connected with 1 ohm. So we have this simple circuit. In this, we have to check whether this 1 into 1 is equal to 1 into 1. So there will be no current. I will be equal to 0 here. So we can remove this resistor from here, and 1 and 1 ohm are in series and 1 and 1 ohm are in series. So here this will be your 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm and this is 2 ohm, and then R12 will be equal to 2 parallel with 2, that will be coming to 1 ohm. So R12 will be equal to 1 ohm. Here is the second question we are going to solve. Again, we have to find out the value of R12. Let's stretch this circuit. 1 and 2 are connected with 1 ohm. This is very fast process. 1 and 2 are connected with 1 ohm. 1 and 2 dash are connected with 1 and 2 dash are connected with 1 ohm. and 2 dash are connected with 1 ohm. 2 and 1 dash are connected with 2 and 1 dash are connected with 2 ohm. 1 dash and 2 dash are connected with 1 ohm. Again, this is 1 and this is 2. We are going to solve another question in which we have to find out the value of R11 dash. This is lattice network and we will stretch this into simple network. Here, this is your 1 dash, and now when we will converting into this, then this will be equal to 1 and 2 are connected with your what? 1 and 2 are connected with 1 ohm. 1 and 2 dash are connected with your 1 ohm. 2 and 1 dash are connected with your 2 ohm. And 1 dash and 2 dash are connected with your 1 ohm, and 2 and 2 dash are connected with your 1 ohm. So this is a circuit. And right now when we are checking whether this multiplication is equal to this multiplication, so here 1 into 1 is not equal to 1 into 2. So this time the Wheatstone bridge will cancel out and we cannot remove this 1 ohm resistor. So we have to take carefully, and whether we have to check this is 2 delta and which delta we have to convert into star. So if we will converting this delta, then the calculation will be very difficult because this is 2 ohm, this is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm. But here if you will check, this is your 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm. When we will be connecting from delta to star, then the value of resistance will be one third of 1 ohm. So here I am just writing here by the dotted line. So here this will be your 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and here it will be also 1 by 3, and it is connected to 2 ohm and 1 ohm correspondingly. It is connected to 2 ohm and 1 ohm correspondingly. We will add this and we will add this, and these will be in parallel. Here these are in series and these are in series, and combined these are in parallel. So here we can write 1 by 3 in series with the parallel combination of 7 by 4 and 4 by 3. While solving this, we can get your 13 by 11. So solving this question, we have to be very cautious which delta we are converting to star, and directly we cannot solve the lattice network. So we have to check whether this equal to this, and if this is not, then we have to apply this method. Thank you.